Marissa taking a bath. Will be 2 months on January 3rd. And it's now December 11th. So how we like the water, Marissa? Oh, dumping it on your head. Yeah. Marissa likes the water. On your tummy. Oh, what's that? Marissa. Oh, big girl. Big girl. Big girl. Look at that mommy's big girl. Look at mommy's big girl. Oh, she's so good in the water. He's so good. Yeah. Marissa likes the water, huh? Say, we love baths. Say, we love baths.